Alright, welcome back. This is my second episode of the restoration. Today I will be sanding some hatch boards and also my table, which is actually somewhere else right now, but like I'm able to get it, so here we are. So I haven't done anything since the last video. So right now we're doing these two, maybe a few other things if you can fit that in. Okay, so I'm gonna lay these down right here. I'm gonna go get my table. So here is my table right here. As you can see, it has been sea-tolled and varnished before, but that kind of wore down. So I'm gonna bring this downstairs. So up here is some more stuff from my boat. To watch my step here. It's over here, and I'll see you down at the sanding area. Alright, so we're going to sand this table right here. I'm going to begin with this because it will probably be the easiest, and yeah. Now obviously before I sea-toll it and varnish it, I'm going to have to do the other side. So right now it's like really smooth. Really looking forward to sea-tolling this. Just a small update. Right now I'm getting all the imperfections out. Next step will be to varnish it. This whole process, I've been doing this for about almost an hour now, so it didn't feel like recording then. So I have completely sanded the table. Well, that's cardboard right there actually, but it's really smooth. So I'm done with that. Now I have to do those two hatch boards next. So here's how it looks so far. Not too bad, but definitely needs to be worked on. A reflection right there, that's not the actual wood, that's just the lights, so didn't mess up that badly. Yeah, I'm going to repeat the entire process again, and we'll see how that turns out. So here's the other side of it. I really hope this is fixable because if you can't tell, this is really bad condition wood. Seems to be working a little bit, so Working on the second forge now. Almost done. I've already done the other side. Not really sure about that really bad wood. Hopefully that's fixable. So I think this is the last piece of wood I'm gonna do today. So I guess I'll see you next time.